In this video, we're going to dive deep into the detailed comparison between two of the most popular website building platforms, Weebly and WordPress. If you're looking to build a website but you're not sure which platform to get started with, this breakdown will help you in that decision. We'll explore their key features, user experience, pricing structures, and weigh the pros and cons of each. Both Weebly and WordPress cater to different needs, but each excels in unique areas. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of which platform best suits your goals. So let's get started with an overview of these two giants in the website creation space. Up first, we'll be talking about Weebly and its simplicity and user-friendliness. Weebly is designed with simplicity in mind, making it a great choice for beginners. Its drag-and-drop editor allows users to build websites without needing any coding experience. Users can select from a variety of templates that are pre-built, with many being geared towards small businesses or personal portfolios. This makes Weebly especially appealing for users looking to create a clean, professional-looking website in a short amount of time. You can easily move text boxes, images, and elements on the page to create your desired layout. Once you've chosen a template, customization is straightforward. While the selection of themes is smaller compared to WordPress, the themes are easy to modify. You can change the text colors, fonts, and images without needing to worry about complex design rules. Moreover, Weebly provides built-in hosting and handles all the technical aspects such as security, server maintenance, and software updates, so users can focus on building their website without worrying about back-end operations. For those looking to start an online store, Weebly includes e-commerce features in its higher-tier pricing plans. Weebly's e-commerce tools are integrated directly into its platform, making it simple for users to set up an online storefront. Features like shopping carts, secure checkout, and product inventory management come built in, and setting up payment gateways through a provider like Square is seamless and easy. Weebly is ideal for smaller stores or people selling a few different products. Up next, we'll be talking about WordPress and its flexibility and customization. WordPress, in contrast, provides ultimate control and flexibility, making it a powerhouse for users who want to create more complex websites. Unlike Weebly, WordPress is not just a website builder, but a full-fledged content management system, otherwise known as a CMS. This gives users full access to customize the appearance, functionality, and structure of their website. WordPress has thousands of themes to choose from, coming in both free and premium options. This allows users to build literally any type of website, from personal blogs to large-scale e-commerce sites. The WordPress plugin library contains over 50,000 plugins, allowing users to enhance their site's functionality easily. Whether you need advanced SEO tools, social media integration, email marketing capabilities, or a custom contact form, there's a plugin available to meet your needs. For businesses that require a specific functionalities or just want to scale, WordPress offers far more options than Weebly. You can build custom galleries and advanced analytics and integrate payment systems with just a few clicks of a button. With flexibility comes complexity, and unfortunately, WordPress does have a bit of a steeper learning curve when compared to Weebly. While WordPress is relatively easy to use for basic tasks, more advanced customizations such as editing code or adjusting backend settings may require technical expertise or hiring a developer. WordPress users must also handle hosting completely separate, which means purchasing a hosting plan, setting up a domain, and configuring server settings completely by yourself. Up next, we'll be talking about the themes and design options between these two platforms. In terms of design, both platforms offer unique advantages. Weebly provides over 50 themes categorized by website type, such as personal blogs or business sites and portfolios. Each theme is mobile responsive, meaning it automatically adjusts to fit the screen size of the device used to view the site. While Weebly's design flexibility is limited compared to WordPress, users can still personalize their website appearance by adjusting color schemes, fonts, and images. WordPress, on the other hand, boasts a vast selection of themes with thousands of free and premium options. Users have the flexibility to either choose a simple theme for a quick setup or invest time in customizing a more intricate design. With the ability to modify CSS and HTML code, WordPress users have limitless possibilities when it comes to their design. These themes can range from minimalist blog layouts to complex e-commerce storefronts, providing unparalleled design versatility. Users can also change their themes without losing their content, unlike Weebly, where changing templates requires a complete rebuild of your website. Up next, we'll be talking about SEO and marketing tools. Weebly offers basic SEO tools that help users optimize their websites for search engines. Users can edit meta tags, alt text for images, URLs, and page descriptions. While these tools are enough for small businesses or individuals looking to improve visibility, more advanced SEO features like schema markup or detailed analytics are unfortunately limited. WordPress, by contrast, excels in SEO capabilities. Plugins such as Yoast SEO or Rank Math allow users to fine-tune every aspect of their SEO strategy, including keywords, XML sitemaps, and content readability. WordPress also enables users to integrate Google Analytics and other marketing tools to track visitor data and measure performance. For users who plan to generate substantial traffic or monetize their website, WordPress offers the tools necessary to implement a robust SEO strategy. Let's also talk about the e-commerce capabilities. Both Weebly and WordPress cater to users looking to set up online storefronts, but the level of functionality differs significantly conveniently between the two platforms. Weebly's e-commerce functionality is built into the platform, making it easier for users to start selling online. Small businesses that want to sell more products, accept payments, and manage inventory without needing technical knowledge can rely on Weebly's integrated shopping cart system, as well as their seamless Square integration. WordPress offers more advanced options through plugins like WooCommerce. It also integrates with numerous third-party gateways, marketing tools, and analytics platforms. For businesses looking to scale their online storefront and sell across multiple platforms, WordPress offers unmatched flexibility and control. Next up, we'll be talking about security and maintenance. When it comes to security, Weebly takes care of some of the most technical aspects on behalf of the end user. Sites built on Weebly are hosted on their servers, and they include basic security features like SSL certificates and protection against DDoS attacks. Unfortunately, most users won't have additional control over other security layers. WordPress, on the other hand, offers users complete control over their website security, but it does require them to be proactive in maintaining it. While WordPress does offer more security options than Weebly, the responsibility falls on the user to keep the site secure by regularly updating plugins, as well as themes and core files. Up next, we'll be talking about customer support and community. When it comes to customer support, Weebly offers direct assistance through email, live chat, and phone support on their higher tier price plans. Users can also access a community forum, knowledge base, and tutorials to resolve issues or learn more about what the platform is all about. Weebly support is praised for being beginner friendly, providing quick assistance and responses, especially for users who are brand new to website building. However, Weebly's customization limits mean that there's more complex issues and may require consultation from third-party developers. If we contrast this with WordPress, they don't have the same official support in the way that Weebly does. It is an open source platform, so instead of this, WordPress relies on its community for support. While the community-driven model offers a wealth of resources, users may find it more difficult to resolve important issues on their own without investing time in research or hiring external help. Another important factor to consider when choosing between Weebly and WordPress is data portability and ownership. With Weebly, users can easily build and manage their website within the platform, but they are restricted in terms of exporting their website data. While Weebly does allow for some limited data exports, such as downloading blog posts, moving an entire website to another platform can be a complex and often incomplete process. This makes Weebly a less desirable option for users who may want to switch platforms in the future. WordPress, on the other hand, excels in data portability and ownership. Since users are responsible for their hosting and domain, they have full control over their website and its contents. Migrating a WordPress site to another hosting platform is relatively easy, and there are several plugins and tools available that simplify this process. WordPress users can also retain complete ownership of their website data, including all content, themes, and plugins, allowing for greater flexibility and control in the long term. This makes WordPress the better choice for users who prioritize data ownership and the ability to move their website if they need. Now that we've talked about all those features, let's get into pricing. If you guys want to get started with WordPress, the best way to do so is through a hosting platform like Hostinger. Hostinger has some amazing deals available, and when you use our link, you'll get access to some of their plans for up to 75% off. Plus, you'll get 24/7 customer support and a free domain in the process. Just simply click the link in the description, head over to this page, click the Start Now button, choose one of these pricing plans, and then at checkout, make sure to enter the code MyFirstWebsite, all capitals, no spaces, to get an even bigger discount. Once you've done all of that, you'll then hit the continue button and you'll be ready to go. If you guys want to get started with Weebly, you can do so for absolutely free with the link down in the description. Also remember though that obviously Weebly is going to have its own theming and branding on the free plan, so if you want to have your own branding, I would definitely recommend upgrading. Other than that though, that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you guys in a future one.